Hello everyone. In today's session, we will do Unit 8 and 9 of your GK textbook, that is Brain Teaser and Miscellaneous. First of all, let's take a view on the topics we will cover here. So in Unit 8, you will get to know about how we can solve number puzzles, how math puzzles help us to improve our ability to strategize, and about visual puzzles. And in about Unit 9, you will get knowledge about some famous quotes, international musicians, development in India in 21st century, and some loan words and words that used while eating out. So let's begin with the logic puzzle. See, in logic puzzle, the logic puzzles are derived from mathematical field of deduction and therefore are solved using the process of logical deduction. Means a complete process are given and you have to solve it. Solving puzzles stimulates the brain and also increase our mental speeds and observation power. Logic, reasoning and deduction are the used by detectives to solve mysteries. So one mystery puzzle is given here. You have to use your logical skill to solve this one. Grandma decides to make apple pies for her grandsons, Sunny and Bunny. She goes to the market to fetch butter for the pies. On returning after 2 hours, she finds out that some of the apples have been eaten. She interrogates the boys. Bunny says that Sunny ate the apple as soon as she left, while Sunny says that Bunny ate the apple a few minutes back. Grandma gives Sunny a friendly pat for telling the truth. Now, from this story, how Grandma determined that the Sunny is telling the truth? If you observe the story carefully, that Bunny says Sunny ate apple as soon as she left means sometimes before. An apple has a property that oxidation power. It reacts with air and gives the blackish color after some time. And that apple doesn't convert it into black color means that apples are eaten recently means few minutes before. That is Sunny is telling the truth. Okay. So this is a way to identify to use your logic to tell the truth or identify who is telling the truth. Next logic puzzle is given here. Table is given for Prakash, Cindy, Geeta and Shankar. Went to the zoo. Each child clicked picture of her favorite animal. Now some clues are given here. You have to identify their favorite animal. This I had done for you, but you have to use your logic. First one, none of the children's favorite animal begin with the letter of the child's name. This you have to remember, that the child's name and the favorite animal's first alphabet should not be same. Second, Geeta is scared of reptiles. Means, 4 animal is given here: giraffe, peacock, crocodile, snake. Geeta is afraid of reptiles, mean that crocodile and snake is not the favorite one of Geeta. Second one, Shankar is allergic to feather. Who has feather? Peacock. Means peacock is not the favorite one of Shankar. Okay? You have to find out the odd one that they are not the favorite of this. Next is Prakash. Prakash like tall animals. And who one is the tallest among these 4? That giraffe. Okay. So Prakash's favorite animal is giraffe. And after every time you have to remember that their first alphabet should not be matched with their name. Second is about Cindy. What about Cindy? 3 are left: peacock, crocodile and snake. Okay? Let's move in towards the Cindy. Next is Geeta. Geeta is afraid of reptiles, means that peacock and snake Of course not the favorite one. Giraffe is the favorite of Prakash. Then which one is left? Peacock. Then peacock is for Geeta. Next is Shankar. Shankar is allergic to feather. ठीक है, तो Shankar is allergic to feather means peacock is not the favorite one. Giraffe is the favorite one of Prakash. Now two is left, crocodile and snake. If we see, the snake is the favorite one of Shankar, but one mistake is there, that snake start with S and Shankar also start with S. So snake is not the favorite one of Shankar. Then which one is left? Crocodile. Okay, so crocodile is the favorite one of Shankar and snake of course for Cindy. Okay, clear? So these are the logic puzzles. You have to use your brain, some of the logic, and you can easily solve the problem. Next is about number fun. Number fun means maths logical questions are given here. You have to find the odd one. It tests the ability of students to think literally and mathematically. You have to find one out questions contain set of numbers, all of which are alike in same manner or some manner except the one. Means one condition is given, all the numbers are following that condition, only the except one odd one. Okay, you have to find out. Some English letters are added to the maths logical question to make them more interesting and challenging. Okay, so first we will find the odd one. See, first A, 10, 26, 21, 18, 24 and 36. Now how can you solve it? What is the common between 10, 26, 21, 18, 24, 36? I think if you remove the 21, rest all are even. Okay, so 21 is the odd one, rest all are even number. Clear? Second is 144, 64, 168, 256 and 196. When we see the 3 digit number or 2 digit number, eventually we have to identify their squares or cubes. 144 is the square of 12, 64 is the square of 8. Okay. What about 168? 168 is not the perfect square, so the odd one is 168. Okay. Third, 136, 244, 324, 316 and 424. When we find out the series, we first check the difference between the numbers. If we check it, the difference between the number are 108 except in between the 324. Okay, so all the number having the difference of 108 except the 324. Now D1, 13, 23, 29, 31, 39, 43 and 59. Except 39, rest all are prime number. Okay, 39 is the composite number, so 31 is odd one. Next 121, 88, 132, 22, 143, 155. When we see the number 121, that eventually that 11 number hit our mind. So we can solve it whether it is divisible by 11 or not. 121, 88, 132, 22, 143, 155. When we divide this by 11, we find that except 155, means that 155 is not divisible by 11, rest all are divisible by 11. Okay. Next is 6, 36, 216, 1286, 7776. See, first number is 6, second number is the square of 6, third number is the cube of 6, fourth number that is given the 1286, that should be the 6 to the power 4, that is 1696, but it is given 1286. And fifth number is the 6 to the power 5. So that fourth one, that is 1286, is the odd one. Next, 8, 27, 64, 125 and 217. See, 8 is the cube of 2, 27 is the cube of 3, 64 is the cube of 4, 125 is the cube of 5. At 117, the number is given here is 217, but if we do the cube of 6, it should be 216. So this 217 is the odd one. Next is 45, 99, 109, 126 and 207. In this, all numbers are divisible by 3 except 109. Okay, 109 is not divisible by 3. Next one, 58, 607, 85, 325, 553 and 445. The series are given here that the sum of digits are 13, but in the case of 325, the sum is 10. So the 325 is the odd one. Next, 2004, 2008, 2014, 2020, 2028. If we notice it, it is the year numbers. And if we solve it, we find that 2014 is not a leap year, rest all are leap year. Now how we can find that the year is leap year or not? If the year is, digits of the year is divisible by 4, then it is a leap year. 2014 is not divisible by 4, so it is the odd one. Clear this? Now in second, hints are given here. You have to solve the problem that if A is plus 8, B is minus 2, C is plus 3 and D is minus 1, then what will be the A minus B plus C plus D? This you can solve easily. Means minus 8 minus 2 plus 3 plus minus 1. If we solve, you will get 12. Okay, you can try it and solve by yourself. Next is, if A is 12, B is 16, then 4A minus 2A plus 2B plus 26. This you had done in algebra. Okay? Only you have to put the numbers. Mean 4A means A value is 12, so you have to multiply by 4. 2A means 12 multiplied by 2. 2B is given, means the value of B multiplied by 2. Okay? So you can solve. It will give the answer of 104. Next, if LEAP resemble for 34, then what will be the late? LATE. See here, L, it is the 12th digits of the 12th alphabet. E, 5th one. A, 1. P is 16th alphabet. So if we plus means add all these alphabets, number of these alphabets, you will get 34. Means to identify the late, you have to plus or add the number of these alphabets. L means 12, A means 1, T 20 and E 5. You will get 38. Okay. So this much easy it is. Now moving towards next chapter, guess the number. Hints are given here. You have to identify the number. See, first one, it is a 6-digit number. First you have to make the 6 digit blank for 6 digit. The digit in the thousand place can be obtained by dividing 12 with 6. Thousand place. Okay? Means thousand place, the number is given, you will get when you divide 12 by 6. Then what you will get if if you divide 12 by 6, you will get 2. Means the 1000 place is 2. You can place 2. The digit in the 10,000 place is 4 times the digit on the 1000 place. 2, you get answer. Now the 10,000 is the 4 times, means if you multiply 2 into 4, you will get 8. Then 10,000 place also you will get 8. The digit in the 100 place can be obtained by adding 1 to the digit in the 1000 place, 10,000 place. So the number you get on 10,000 place, that is 8. When you add 1, then you will get 9. Easy it is. Then there are 4 tens in this number, means on 10 digit you will get 4. The digit in the 1 place is an odd number which is more than 1 and less than 5. So simple it is. More than 1, less than 5, that is 3. Now 1 is left, that lag place. The digit in the lag place is the next odd number of the digit on the ones place. Means what you will get the next odd number after 3, that is 5. So number is 582943. Rest 2 I had done for you, but you can try. Get the lots of fun by solving this, and it improve your ability to strategize the best puzzles. Okay. Next one is spiral puzzle. Spiral grid given here with the long chain of words. These words are related with computer and internet. See here, includes unscrambled words are given. And in computer only you had done this. You have to arrange the words and you will find it. Means in spiral word. First one is, if you arrange, I have written here. First one is website, second program, third cursor, fourth online, fifth upload, sixth virus, and seventh is icon. Now what question is given here? Some words are circled in the spiral. You have to write in sequence, means first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and then unscramble. Then you will get the word password. Okay? So it is lots of fun for solving logical and puzzle questions. Now in visual puzzles, means diagrams are given here, you have to solve it by selecting the right answer. See, first one. What is the difference between first two boxes? In first box, yellow color is the first one. In second box, red color is the first one. So similarly, the fourth one you will select. Fourth one is the right answer. Means red is here the first one, red fourth. In alternative place, it is given with red and yellow color. So fourth option is the correct one. For B, third option is the correct one. Eventually, yellow color is given here. You have to identify the next one. In C, the outermost is bold, then the innermost. And in second option, the outermost is thin than the innermost. Same with the triangle. So, second option is the correct one. Number is given 852. You will arrange 8 to 5. Means this circle, triangle and rectangle. Circle should be on first one. The rectangle or square should be on second one. And third one, that is triangle. Triangle should be on third one. Means second is the correct answer. E. See here. If we put this black and green color inside the box, then one image we will get. Same we will do with this image also, second also. So, first one is the correct answer. For F, it inverts the image. So, first one is the answer. Second, pick the correct top view. Top view means if you hold it from center and drag it upside, then how it will show. So, third answer is the correct one. B, How can you see the top view of these two boxes? That first one, you will see the green color and green box and red box from the top. Okay. Now next unit. Here some famous quotes are given that are motivating and inspiring words. You have to complete that words by using hint or help boxes given in your book. Nelson Mandela has given this thought: dash is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world, that is education. Second quote by Mahatma Gandhi, that you must be the dash you wish to see in the world. Change. You must be the change you wish to see in the world. Third, the great power comes great responsibility. Fourth, that which does not kill us make us stronger. Fifth, arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached. Child is the father of man. This is given by William Wordsworth. He was an English poet. Next, about Albert Einstein, a person who never made a mistake, never tried anything new. He was a scientist, and by doing mistakes, means by doing lots of experiments, he invented many things. Okay? So he had given the quote that a person who never made a mistake, never tried anything new. That's a bullet is stronger than a bullet. 9. Necessity is the mother of invention. Do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave the trail. 11. Confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. Okay? We can kill the failure or we can overcome of the failure by the confidence and hard work. And this quote is given by APJ Abdul Kalam, that former president of India. Next, I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that don't work. Okay? If you are doing anything and you doesn't get the positive result, means that option you had selected the wrong. Okay? That way is the wrong. So you are not failed, you just get the ways that you don't have to do. Next, international musician. She has performed in concert all around the world and has received multiple Germany award nominations. Her first name is Anushka. Okay. Second, their band has famous for the song Beautiful Day, Where the Streets Have No Name, and they have won over the 20 Grammy Awards till date. So they are from Ireland. Third, she is a singer, and her greatest hits with the theme song of animated movie Beauty and the Beast and My Heart Will Go On. So which country does she belong to? She belongs to Canada. Next. His voice is considered one of the most beautiful voices in the world. He has sung duet with Ed Sheeran, Celine Dion and Jennifer Lopez. So he is Andrea Bocelli. Next, fifth one, this you can guess without hint also, that is Shakira. And which song she used to sing in FIFA World Cup that held in South Africa in 2010, that is Waka Waka. Okay. Sixth one, this lead singer introduced Jamaican music to the world and made the reggae in a popular genre. So his song is One Love, Buffalo Soldier, Get Up, Stand Up, that is Bob Marley. Next, she is a famous singer and songwriter from Ireland who released her first album when she was 11. Okay, she is an environmental activist. She is Bjork. Last one, duet are here. They are always wearing helmets while performing, and they have won many Grammy awards. One More Time and for Get Lucky. They are known as for electronic. Okay. Next chapter is about India in the 21st century. In 21st century, we call that India due to the dramatic developments that have taken place in the country, that made a mark in the different field, established itself as a country of global importance. So about the 2005, India became one of the few nations to introduce a fundamental rights to the citizen, and that fundamental right is right to information. In 2007, on September 24, 2007, India defeated Pakistan in the inaugural ICC World Cup T20 at the Wembley Stadium, Johannesburg, South Africa. Who was the player of the match in the final? That is Gautam Gambhir. 2010, India has created by winning over 100 medals in an international multi-sports event. That event is 2010 Commonwealth Game. In 2013, on 5th November, India launched the most cost-effective Mars mission. And one sci-fi film, Gravity, is also there. So, what is the name of that mission? That is Mangalyaan for Mars. For 2014, the World Health Organization presented India with the official certification to eradicate a disease. Which disease what is? That is polio. In 2014, general election saw Narendra Modi become the Prime Minister of India. What was his constituency in that election? That is Varanasi and Vadodara. 2016. Which post of the Indian Air Force did the Defence Ministry of India approve women pilot to be inducted into? That is combat pilot, and that post is fighter squadron. 2017. Starting of 1 July 2017, the uniform tax system was implemented. And what the name of tax? That is GST, Goods and Service Tax. And in 2017, Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO, created history on 15 February 2017 by launching a record number of satellites on a flight of Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. So what was the number of the satellites? They are of 104. So these are the developments that had taken place in the 21st century of India. Okay. Next chapter is about the loan words. Loan words means the words that are borrowed from the other language or reused with little or no alternation. Means first is given meaning of that word. Origin is Latin, means in Latin that meaning is given. Created or done for a particular purpose as necessary. They are called, the loan word is given ad hoc. That ad hoc is the Latin word. Goodbye. In French, it is called as adieu. The university, college or school that one formerly attended. In Latin, it is called as alma mater. Wishing someone a safe and happy journey. Bon voyage in French. A feeling of having already experienced the present situation. Déjà vu. A look alike or a duplicate of a person, that is doppelganger. To the other similar things, etc. That we are using etc they are pronounced as etc. Okay, expressing a strong sense of criticism or opposition, that is flag. Something in which someone excels, fault. Something that is broken, useless or worthless, caput. A great work done by an artist, a writer or a composer, that is magnum opus. It is the Latin origin. A predetermined place and time for a meeting, rendezvous, without, sense, in exactly the same word as were originally used, that is verbatim. And oral examination, viva voce. This we are using viva voce for oral examination. Now next is eating out. Eating out means it is pleasurable to experience to some people for eating out. However, it may become complicated if they don't have the right words for their disposal. So understanding the words and their meaning, you have to find out the meaning by these two columns. First is cutlery. It is the collection of knife, fork and spoons. Condiments, salt, spices, sauces, etc. used to add flavor to the food. A la carte, food that can be ordered as separate item. Buffet, a meal consisting of various dishes from which diners serve themselves. Diners serve themselves means by themselves we take the food, that is buffet. Martfidi, the head waiter of the restaurants. Appetizer, a small quantity of food that is served before the main meal. Cuisine, a style or method of cooking specific to a region or country. Take away food, that is food that is prepared in the restaurant but eaten elsewhere, that we pack in the food in the restaurant but we take to somewhere else to eat it. Okay. Next is complete the dialogue with the right word. Okay, two options are given, you have to select the correct one. Waiter, good evening. You, good evening. I had made a. So what you will do in restaurant? Reservation or appointment? Of course, reservation. Okay. I would like a table or seat. For restaurant, you will use the word table for 3. Okay. Then, please come this way. Here we are. Then you, thank you. Can we have a look at the? So when you take your place, what you want to look? Menu card or bill? Is before eating, before ordering anything, you want to see the menu. So menu is the correct one. Then waiter, are you ready to? First you will give order. So order. You, yes. We do not want any appetizers. Appetizers means what I had given you? Appetizers means a small quantity of food that served before the main meal. Means you are saying that we doesn't taking the food that we take in the main meal. We would like to have fried rice, sweet and sour gravy for the main course. Okay? Dessert are the thing, sweet dish that we take after the main meal. Okay? So you are asking only for the main course. Waiter, is that all? Yes. And after the meal, I hope you enjoyed the meal. Would you like to have some dessert? You know, thanks. We did enjoy the meal. So kindly convey our compliments to the chef. Okay? You are not going there for wishes. You want to say that their foods are good, their arrangements are good. So they are the compliment. Okay? So convey our compliment to the chef. Waiter, thank you very much. I will get you your bill. Okay. So after this, your book also completed. Now complete your book work, copy work, and if you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay. Thank you. Have a